Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Google Classroom easily on any device. Whether you are a student or a teacher, this guide will help you access your classes quickly. First of all, open up Google Classroom application on your mobile device and from the main home screen, click on Get Started. Click on the Continue button to sign in to your Google account. In the sign in area, type down your email address or your phone number and tap on Next. Now, select how you'd like to sign into your Google account. You can use your passkey or enter your password. I'm going to choose Enter Password option. On the next page, type down your Google account's password in the correct text box. Once you are done, click Next. And then, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, you can go through it and complete the two-factor verification process. Once you complete it, you will then be able to sign in to Google Classroom with your selected email. Once logged in, you can then join into classes or create your own class on Google Classroom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.